What's the deal, gang? What up? We are back. We back. Welcome, options. Yo, scoot over, everybody. We got more people coming to the table. Scoot over. Options join the table. You know what I mean? W. Good shit, bro. Welcome. Yes. Great time to be here. It's our last day, our last Asian session of the week. Last day this week to trade Asian session. I know you were in the Titanic. No, I was in the spin-off, the Pipanic. Last Asian of the week. It's like the immigration center, right? Processing people. All right, pack it up. Last Asian of the week. Get in there. Oh man, should have put Don on your shoulder for the thumbnail. Nah, I don't know. I don't even know how that would go. But you're gonna be here on Sunday, and Sunday's technically still this week, right, Jacob? Private session on Sunday. Yes, yes. Sunday starts the week, depending on your culture. See, when I was raised, like back in the 1900s, in the place that I was raised at, it was considered like the last day of the week. Back in the good old 1900s. Yo, let's do a little breakdown. Oh, holy shit, the daily actually closed with no bottom wick. So you know what you might get here? You might get a push here today off the daily with no bottom wick. We'll see. 4 hours gonna close probably bullish in an hour. For now, it's bullish. It's been 2 hours coming up. Some interesting levels here. See where this makes sense. Okay, and I'm mainly looking for levels above the price above which we drive when we're above the price, and right now below these levels is where we could have more sells, below 78, above 81 and 78. These are the major levels that I think we can see a reaction and drive off of once we're past them. So we're not necessarily going to respect these. These are just levels that we can drive off of once we break them. You see they kind of go in the middle of candles, not necessarily support and resistance in in the traditional sense of support and resistance. Okay. Depending on how we close here, there's a lot of wicks here. 84.75. Depending on how we close here in this area, on this, oh, we just closed on the hourly. How did that close? I'm sorry, I'm looking at the 2 hour. So this is perfect. Look, we've closed bullish. We're above the most recent. We're above this little small area over here at 79. If we can come down here, grab a bottom wick and flip bullish, I think we can have some early buys here. The 4 hour will flip, right? And now on the off chance that the 4 hour doesn't drive down, it should, right? It should drive down based on the 4 hour. But on the off chance that it doesn't and we get a bullish flip here, we'll take a buy. If we don't see a bullish flip, we'll wait on the 15 or the 30 and see if it's able to break and maintain price below 78.64, and then we'll look for positions below there. This is lovely on the 15, huh? Yeah, the 5, previous 5, previous 15 don't have a bottom wick. So it makes sense, right, if it flips to fill that previous candle, which is about 16 pips. But it would have to do it here on the first 15, right? So if we're able to flip here on the first 15, we'll take buys on the flip. If we close bearish on this first 15, or if the 5 closes below the range, then we'll reevaluate. Really hoping to make it an early stream today. I got some shit I gotta do, but like, I'd rather not do it too late. So if we get an early position, it'd be a W. You guys feel that bass? Or hear that bass through the speaker by any chance? My neighbor's having a party, and the bass, I feel it through the wall. It's like my chair's like. Damn, free massage? Gee. These ranges aren't as big as you think. I don't have a buy stop yet. I'll enter manually. I'm just telling you where to look for it. Because honestly, that's not the likely scenario here at the moment. The likelier scenario is that we're going to come down. That's the off chance, right? That's why I said on the off chance that it does that, we'll be ready. But that's the unlikely scenario here. If it happens, probability says we're good. But the probability is not on our side for it to happen. Know what I mean? Chances of us coming up flipping bullish here are not that high. we're more likely to fill the range down. Nixon 5. I hope they sweep, but I really think it's going to be like a Nixon 7 type series. I wasn't too impressed with Philly yesterday. Jeez. Alright, I don't have time for dumb shit this week. Like, I'm not doing dumb shit on stream. I'm not dealing with dumb shit on stream. Headed home, be in the Zoom soon. Yep. See you on stream soon. I'm coming home. Coming home. Oh. Come on, can we get some kind of closure? Can you stop fucking driving? Five closes here in 90 seconds. There's a 5 level here that runs across, minor, but still there. Back to the charts after 2 weeks. Welcome back. Glad to have you. Glad you're looking to help yourself. Nice wick over there. Yeah, we're gonna wait the first 15 of the hourly out, whether, you know, it drives through or rejects, whatever it happens. I'm gonna wait it out here. Ideally, it pulls back a little so the 15 could leave a wick here to fill. If it doesn't happen on the 15, we'll look for it on the 30. If it doesn't happen on the 30, we'll look for it on the hourly. But that's about it. That's where we're at. Okay, capiche? Capiche. Whew. What a month, huh? What a month. We are at 23 straight wins. Check the monthly. I gotcha. Whee! Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We got a little over 2 minutes until this 15 closure. That's a long time. Dama. That means dame in Russian. Dama. Yeah, I like the thumbnail too. Now, if only that bitch could move over so I don't have to fucking freeze my ass off in that water, it'd be alright. There was enough room on that little float. Freezing my ass off. Yeah, this is gonna re-break the lows here and push to the. I don't want to get in here. You guys wouldn't learn anything. We should have gotten in right here on the re-break. If you understood why you're getting in. Greatest debate of all time. It was James fucked up on that one. James Cameron fucked up. He should have told her, look, I'm gonna need your ass to move over. How's it possible? I don't know. I don't know how it's possible. I just know that it's possible. I mean, now you know that it's possible. Yo, this 30 doesn't have a top. If we had some top wicks on any candles, I think we're taking positions here, but we only have a 5 here with this top wick. How much range? Oh, 7. There's only 10 pips. No. What's the one look like? That's crazy. That was the 15 closure. Wow. Gonna fill the range. This is good. It's good. Remind him of his glass on the door. Yeah, it's fucked up. Did you list the trade? Yeah, I list the trade.
What a stupid question that is.
Stops aren't bad. No. Not in any positions here, gang. Not yet. I mean, nope. Curious how we close here. Oh, looking to break the low, flip bullish, break the fuck out the hype. Okay. How do you like trading on Asian session versus any of the others if you have traded on them? What do you mean? Oh, new here. Yeah, we trade New York. Yeah, we trade Asian. Well, I trade New York and I trade Asian. Very careful. The hourly never came up, made a top wick. The 4 hour flipped. I'd want to see a steep top wick. I'd want us to tap 76.15 here. If we can do that and come down. Once we close below here, right? So you might see a bit more of a push. 5 close respecting, right? Yeah. More or less. Barely. If it's barely, it's pretty much respecting. Damn, that 4 hour rebreak of the lows here. Just stream in New York? No, we only when we're covering for Don. Yeah, if Don's off, then I'll cover and we stream New York like yesterday. Yeah, pineapples are identical to my initial entry, same risk. Alright, bye-bye. Gotta do a little dance with it, right? I can't. This neighbor's bass right now is killing me. I'm sitting there like, I feel like I'm in space chilling by a speaker. Last New York stream was awesome. I think our last like 20 New York streams were awesome. We're pretty good. Was that a firework? I don't know. My neighbor's going crazy. It's a 4 hour rebreak of the low here, man. This should push. Hold on a second, chat. sorry, my bad, chat. Yeah, no, I was talking to my daughter. I was saying I'm waiting on this 30 to close. We got 4 minutes for the 30 to close. And let's see what we can do. Oh, 3 minutes is a long time. Right, because this flips, this should drive it down. But I want a bottom wick here on the 30, and then we will look for something. Yeah, look at that flip. First thing it did here. Should come down. Tap this area perfectly too. Let's see. We'll see what happens here once the 30s close. 2 minutes. What up, JD? Yeah, it was good. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Zoom. People showing up. Clubhouse is open. Welcome. This is the bottom wick for the daily we're at here. I don't think it is. Because the 4 hour is going to close bearish in 30 minutes unless we have a massive pullback up right now. And if we pull up, we need a top wick. Like, and then it's gonna close up in range, huh? Close below here, huh? Ooh. Did it? Let it pull up. If we can pull up, I want to see where we can get a top wick entry. We might not. If we can pull up without flipping, we'll take a position. Might flip here, huh? I'd want a steeper top wick, gang, if we're gonna take positions here. Looks good though. Yeah, it makes sense, right? $15.30. Closed above, didn't really close below here. Unless we get that steep pullback. Maybe 76.7. Chat, give me 1 second. My kids are going crazy. Hold on. Ah, shit. They're freaking jumping on the couches. Yeah, handyman fixed it. Yeah, 77 would be nice, but this came down. Like, remember I said it would be nice, but before that it was coming up without a bottom wick. Right now it made a bottom wick. Like, if it re-breaks the low, then you're looking maybe with momentum to fill the range. The wick here is 9 pips, 8 pips. The range about 15, 20. What do you say, 77.7? Yeah. I don't know. Kind Kind of weary of that bottom wick there. Previous 5 doesn't have a bottom wick though. A top wick, I mean. What up, Jacob? I got you. I got you. It's not even the neighbor, it's just the people he got over. Yeah, gang, I think we're most likely going to end up looking on the hourly closure here because that's the 4 hour as well. The 4 hour's got a top wick. The hourly doesn't really, so I'd want something. I'd look for next resistance here, and then maybe we can have some positions, especially if the smaller time frame like the 30 or the 15 close bullish, right? So you're going to expect a little bit more bullish movement, which could be the top wick of the next hourly, the next 4 hour candle. Stop liking like the stream. Word. You're a Titanic fan? No. I just like helping people, you know, get off a sinking ship. Oh. First time here, just come across this while watching music videos. Awesome. Do you do this every night and teach people how to trade? Yes. We are live every single weekday at 8 p.m. Eastern. Just don't be here tomorrow because that's Friday and that's a Saturday morning in Asia, so the markets aren't open. But Monday through Thursday and Sunday, if you're part of the private gang, we are here. You guys got lucky last week. I forgot to set the stream on private and everybody got in. You was all snuck in and everybody got that W that was meant only for the private session. Uh-oh, hold on a second, chat. Wix 11 is here. What's up? Told him stop being loud. Oh. Why'd you have 77 as a level? The one we just tapped and rejected off of? Because there was a rejection level there. Let's see, 5. Yeah, right here I think it was 70. 76.7. Oh no, it was 77.7. Why did it? Yeah, right there. It was definitely, it was 76.7. It was this area right here. We just closed above it. Just got yourself a new subscriber. Yes! We're gonna be okay, chat. We are gonna be alright. By the way, if you haven't done so yet, drop a like, sub to the channel, turn on your notifications so you know when we're on, and go follow the IG. Follow the IG. That's what I want to grow, the IG. It's a nice deal. 77. We're so bullish, we keep closing about above these smaller time frame ranges that we need like a bearish closure. Or we need to pull up here, leave a bottom wick for the 4 hour, but not flip bullish. Make sense? Capiche? Would you ever take buys in the spot? Well, not yet. Maybe at some point in my career, but no, not here. I'm looking, I'd rather follow the higher time frame here. And if the 4 hour manages to close like this, we might be in off the rip. Might not. Actually, I would like to be in on the top wick. My issue is it's going to depend on how the smaller time frame closes. So if the 15 and the 5 are finding resistance here and closing bearish, we'll look for an off the rip sell. If they're still closing bullish, they're probably going to continue for a little bit as a top wick for the next 4 hour candle. Next hour candle, right? Appreciate you showing up every day. For sure, Max. I really enjoy doing what I do. Nah, I mean, Oscar nominee for sure. Your boy Wicks deserves an Oscar. So the 15 closes in 40 seconds, and we're onto the, see, it's well, let's see if it respects here, but we're onto the last 15 of the 4 hour, which typically pulls back. So you might see another bullish 15, right? Let's see how this plays out. But if you see it, you know, a 15 that creates a top wick, comes back down to this area, we're going to be in off the rip. Right? If we let's say see something like this on the next 15, right? If we come up, create a top wick. Ow, you're hitting my hand. Hold on, I'm drawing. Hold on. I'm teaching a drawing class here. Right? If we do this, right, we flip, but we don't really drive down. On the 30, on the 1, we're gonna look. You see, it's leaving a wick for us. It's leaving a bottom wick for us, and it's also already grabbed orders on top here. So if the 15 closes like that, we're gonna look on the next, right? I'm talking about this current 15. We'll look for the next 15 to just either come straight down or a top wick, but we'll probably be in off the rip. But I'll look for it to come down first. A lot depends here on how the smaller time frame plays out. So our actions on the higher time frame close will depend on the smaller time frame closing. You join private session through my YouTube. I don't know where this bullish push is coming from, but I mean, remember how I said the previous hourly closed bullish above the range? Highly likely you make a bottom wick and still flip, and we would have buy stops. We don't have buy stops here now because this would be great, but the hourly's coming up to an end. So I believe it won't. At the moment, it doesn't look like it's gonna come up and flip. At the moment, it looks like it's gonna create and leave a bottom wick for us to fill, right? Because even if this is the eventual outcome like this, right? The next wick still got filled, right? So there's still range here. So even if you were to start pulling up, I think you would see a retest or a refill of this wick, and then you would need to create a bottom wick on the 4 hour. So this will be really key. We have 13 minutes till that happens, till we get an answer. All is well. Yes, sir. Eduardo, appreciate you. Hold on, chat. I think my kids are fighting. I swear it's like Larry, Moe, and Curly in the living room. They're like, I didn't do it. He did it. He did it. Bomb, bomb. Everybody's freaking hurt. Everybody's saying the other one did it. She pinched me. Oh, she held my mouth shut. Oh, she held my... I don't know. She pulled my hair. Yeah, I remember, honey, I decked the kids. They protect each other. Yeah, they're the type that are like, nobody hurts my sister except me. Bang. But they'll, like, if somebody hurts the other ones, they all go like fight. Especially the baby. The baby's so brave. She's crazy. Like, she'll see somebody do something, she runs to fight. And cause the older one was playing with her friends in the yard, and the baby thought they were hurting, so she ran out and she, get off my sister. I was like, that's right, you tell him, only you can hurt her. Any kiddos? I got 3 girls. I got 3 daughters. I'm a rare breed, yo. Straight up. Yeah, it's fun. Your son, Ike, I'm not adopting you. No.
How about no?
Word. Rejected again. Jackson. Got the papers ready? You wild. What's your real job? I'm a janitor. Janitor. Your sound effects are so loud? No, they're not. What do you mean?
Wow! I feel good.
Wake up! It's supposed to be loud, so you pay attention. Do we survive John continue the direction during the Asian session? I'm thinking about looking for onion plays in the coming future because it seems, yeah, really zoom out of everything. look, you have a 1 hour candle here and you have the next 1 hour. These are the high volume candles. So pay attention to how the 8 p.m. candle, which is this one right now, closes and prints. And then pay attention how the 9 p.m. candle, the next one between 9 and 10, how that prints in relation to this one. And like I've said before on my reels, that there's only a limited amount of ways that this can close and a limited amount of ways that the next candle can open. Figure out that relationship and you're going to have your probability straight with the next candle, right? That's the key. Pay attention, fuck everything else. Pay attention to this 1 hour candle, the next 1 hour candle. That's really all you're here for. Yeah, you gotta have levels, historical price data matters. But you really get the most data out of this 4 hour closure. It's the biggest closure you get all day, besides the 9 a.m. New York session. Can you explain how that works? Yeah, process of elimination. You'll get this candle closing a certain amount of ways. Over time, you'll just see every single possible way it can close. And then over time, you'll also see every possible way that the next candle can open in relation to this candle. It takes time. If the candle closes bullish, that's too vague. Depends how bullish. Depends bullish where. Depends how the 5 and the 15 have closed in relation to the hourly. As right now, I'm going to start leveling up my journaling. You know how it came to me? From actually not switching up between gold and GJ and all the other pairs, and not showing up at random times, but showing up at the same time every day to trade that same pair every single day. And over time, you just see the same thing over and over, and your mind's like, oh. And like, you know how people are like, I just seen this before. I can explain it to you, but like I can also say that like I've just seen this before. I know it's gonna work, but like people have a hard time putting that into words, and we're very good at that here, right? Putting that into like language that could get through to you. Possible trade two strategies. See, I don't trade strategies. I don't have a specific set of rules I use to enter a trade. I just use logic, right? Take my trade to court, as I say. Take your trade to court and try to convince, try to convince the jury, which is you, or the judge, that this trade is worth taking. You're the prosecutor, and take it to court. Can you convince yourself? Does that sound valid? Is it logical based on all your knowledge, right? You can mix and match everything you know about the market to come to a conclusion that makes sense. And then it's your relationship with money, right? How do you manage risk? You got to be robotic in your approach. There's got to be a system and a plan ahead of the trade. Are you looking for a trade? No, I just came here to yap. Yeah, we're looking for a trade. We're looking for the 4 hour to close. Play Spartan Sound. I play Spartan Sound. I'll wake up every single neighbor, every single person on here has. We haven't flexed in a while though, chat. Just stretch and flex. Let's go. Let's get this flex going. Let's get those biceps, get the blood flowing, right? Squeeze, squeeze. I said squeeze, not clench. Some of you are clenching. You've got to squeeze. Damn. Clenchers. Don't be a clencher. Would you be expecting a top wick to form? I'd expect the top wick on the next candle, yes. Do I necessarily expect it to break the previous 1 hour high? Probability dictates so, but I don't really expect it because it can drive down without doing that. Create a top wick, but never break that high, right? Down. But typically, yeah, you want the next candle, if you don't have a top wick, to create the top wick for this candle if it is to drive down. But for now, it looks like it's respecting this higher time frame support. Please let me know if I can take the trade. I am in London. Why are you yelling at me, brainless robot? Flip the tape ski. Gotcha. Flipping it to side A. From side A. Sorry, gang. I didn't mean to make you yawn, but we flex together, we yawn together, we trade together. You don't talk to me, bro. I asked 4 times. What did you ask? We have, like, yeah, it's specifically you. There's 631 people in here. Imagine if I spoke to everyone specifically. I just turn around and I see if there's shit in the chat that I notice and it makes sense, I answer it. If I didn't answer you, it's either I didn't see it or it didn't make sense. Excuse me. What a day. What a day. We got 1 minute here for the 4-hour close. 90 seconds. Holy. Holy. Who says that? Yes, Roger does. Yeah, I think I heard TT say that before too. Looking for gold guys? Damn, Jacob. No diddy. It's tough. Burger's like, for real? I'm available. All the diddy. Yeah. So we just closed. We closed back up in range. The hourly closed bearish, but what WTF? Like, it looks like it's gonna come up. We closed right where we started with no top. Wait, I have nothing here at the moment. Last time we rejected, look, every time we rejected this area and closed back up in range, it tends to come up. So I would say it should come up unless it fakes out here. Yeah, not too nice of a closure. We're back in range. We're yeah, and the 4-hour closed bullish. I'd want a steeper bottom wick. I mean, this looks good actually, but I want a steeper one. I'd want a bottom wick to like here, 77.95, and then if we flip bullish. But this looks good on the bullish flip. Let's see if we get a 5-minute closure above here. If we can get this 5 to close above, we'll look for positions. Small ass range. Okay. 2 minutes here. Let's see if we get a 5 closure above. You see, I don't mind closures like, cause look, okay, very similar situation, just on a different time frame. You see this pull here? You see how this candle closed bearish? Look at the next candle. It came down to a resistance or support below the previous candle because the previous candle couldn't really drive. So that's when I see the higher time frame here, which is the hourly doing almost the same thing that we seen the smaller time frame doing there. I'd want that steep bottom wick. It doesn't have to break 3 levels here because that's a strong higher time frame rejection, but I'd want a steeper bottom wick. Other than that, I don't have any confidence that we're going to drive. We're just price is printing wicks, and wicks are ranges, right? Remember that. They're ranges on a small timer, so we're just printing ranges. Sir, do you have a Telegram? No, AOL only. TP would have smacked? Yeah, but how do you know this isn't the top wick for the previous hourly that closed bearish and the price doesn't flip bearish, right? So you need some closures above here. Good test in patience today though, alright? You don't need to be in every single price movement. LOL, no, not LOL only, AOL only. You guys are too young. Do you mind to draw on the chart if you execute trade? I mean, you're kind of going to have no choice. Yeah, we'll post it. Just doesn't look like it here. Five too complicated, so you don't do anything. Explosions reported 3 locations: Iran, Syria, and Iraq. Nightbot. It's lit! Fucking Nightbot. Yeah. Nightbot fucking woke up and meant business. Nightbot be tripping, true. Show's late, laughs at weird shit. Trades taken? We don't have that. We don't have that tab. Yeah, Nightbot took like a week vacation without telling anybody. He's lucky he still got a job. 5-minute trend. It's 3 minutes for the 15 to close. Oh, I'm sorry. 3 minutes for the 10. 8 minutes for 15. This is... Just gotta wait. Nightbot's a real person. I am not revealing the true identity of Nightbot. Not gonna happen. Your secret's safe with me, bro. Or bra. Or sis. Did you take a buy? No. I'm just watching this drive. Asia's high today. Asia just being Asia. You got to get used to being an Asian session for a little while. But we've seen this over and over many times, right? And like we've seen the market drive and didn't take positions, and just to have positions really late in stream. You know, it's all right. Like I said, this is just noise for me. This is all on like just irrelevant noise because it has nothing to do with what I'm doing, right? What I'm looking for. When stuff that I'm looking for sets up, yeah, we pay attention. But you gotta tune out the noise, no matter how impulsive you feel. But then again, I'm just doing what. You know, what's according to my plan. You do what you do. Do what you do. Caught 60. Big J. You deserve a big J after that. Steroid candle? Nah, if it was a steroid candle, it would be like this. That's a steroid candle. This candle is just confused. This candle's lost. Which way do we go? Which way do we go? We go that way? That way? That. Figure it out. Word, wide body. That's a Pandem kit on it. Shit's got a Liberty Walk body kit on this candle. Look at this shit. Yo, where you going? Jeez. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Damn, gold beefing with everybody. This shit's gonna pull up on all of y'all. Where gold about to pull up on everybody. I'm putting cases on all you bitches. You'll be playing basketball in Pelican Bay when I'm finished with you. Yo, where's you going? Israel attacking. Yeah, well, gold fucking news spreads quick. Why didn't you say this shit before it pulled up here? Why couldn't you tell us that they just bombed some shit at 75? Why you told us at like 86? Should have held you by longer. Should have fucking turned it into a swing with these news. I don't get it. I'm watching the news right now, and there's not a word. I got the news on, and they talking about Trump. A whole day worth of movement? Shit, if this is January, chat, this right here, this candle is like a whole month of January. This is the whole month of January in this candle. It's a 30-minute too. I mean, don't buy the high. Where's the high? Oh, the fuckery. Oh, the horror. In and out. Yep. Hurry up and buy. Hurry up and buy. All-time highs incoming? Yeah, once a week. Fifteen's about to close. And came back to close below, respecting this area. Well, wait. Let's just wait. Huh, if it closes above, this can get really interesting. And gold said fuck off. Yeah, it could fill this for all I get. Alright, like, yeah, no positions for me. Had the low of that move marked up, went to the gym, and for a run. Huh. I haven't heard that one yet. That's a good one. I heard I went to the bathroom. I passed out. My dog needed to take a shit, so I walked him. I heard everything. I haven't heard that one yet. That's a new one. But don't get me wrong, I'm down to take a buy here if we get a massive bottom wick here. Like, we tap 23.87.4. I'm down to take a buy and a rebreak at a high. Even if we closed here, because I understand that with grabbing a strong support and all that bullish volume, and we've already made a high, reject it, now we're going to come down and tap that strong support. If we break the high, we're driving to fill the wick, and that's 20 pips. stupid and isn't going to stop him from taking a clean position, I'd call that a dirty position. Ain't exactly. Ain't exactly fruits and roses, know what I mean? Caught that in the opposite direction, account blown. Yo, we just tapped that area, didn't we? You know what I was talking about. Yeah, we tapped, what did I just say? 87 what? 87.2? We tapped that. Yeah, we be tapping. We be tapping. So, gang, if this candle starts re-breaking its own high, I will take a buy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have a buy stop here on the break of the high of this candle. It's gotta break the high. All right, chat. And because with volume and after grabbing that top wick, still not in here. Tell you when we're in. So I'm accounting for 2 pips of spread. My entry, my buy stop is 2390.195. No. No sell. I'm looking to drive here with momentum and this range to fill and a re-break of the high that we made. Yeah, I'll tell you once I'm in. Okay, gang. I am in a trade here. You're getting a candle. You might pull back. You're gonna pull back here on the next candle because of how this closed. But I'm expecting us to get a bottom wick and drive with the volume. When I say pull back, I mean the 5. I think this 5 will come back down in range. Just because that's how we closed the candle. But I believe price needs to come up overall. But it should pull back. It's just the luck of the draw that the candle closed as a la candle. But I still believe we need to fill the range because we've grabbed all these orders. And we're very bullish fundamentally. And we've had massive volume come up and take us up. Okay. So let's see what happens here. Oh, wait. I didn't put it on here, but sorry. And see. Yeah, we're in a position here. And as for stops, I think we'll put our stop. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to close half here right now at 11 pips, and I'm going to go break even. So forget stops. Stops are a BE here. Okay. Okay. All right. 23 pips. I'm going to close 75% of my position. Oh, at 35 here, 34. Closed at 34, 75% of my position. I'm going to have so closed 34 pips here, 75% of my position at 34, and I'm going to leave the rest to fill. I'll show you where. We are going to look for all-time highs. If we have enough volume to drive us through. I don't know if we will. Honestly, I'm going to look for 97 here. If we can get to 97 with volume, that'd be great. That'd be 70 pips. And I won't cry about it if it drives for 200, okay? I also won't cry since it's house money at this point, gang. I also won't cry if this comes back to BE. We secured 75% of our position. Win number 24. All right.
We got a runner. Wow, I feel good.
Yo, we re-break the high. I'm breaking out the red panties, gang. All right. Gotta re-break the high. You guys want it? You guys are in the mood for some red panties, right? Trying to re-break the high. This is what we waited for. That's why we don't get in. We get into our positions because at that point, we're not stressed about them. We're not questioning them. We know what we need to do. There's a plan attached to our positions. So I'm very confident and calm entering my positions, even though we missed all of this, right? We didn't really miss it, just didn't set up for us. But 75% of my position was closed at 34 pips there. Yeah, and if this comes back, like we secured a large part of it, it's, you know, that's a big W. Almost 3 pips, 4 pips. Yo, we are so close. Will we survive? It's a strong pullback. Yo, this would be wild if we survive this. Pull up, pull up. Hold the line. Hold the line. Yeah. It's 5. We're not out of the woods here, Chad. I'm looking at the 1 minute. Well, night candle. Congrats, everybody. Yo, make sure you don't dip. Make sure you drop a like. That's win number 24 in a row. So make sure you drop a like. It's up to the channel and go follow the IG. Massive value. Massive value on the streams. Wix table membership paid for the year. Well, on that trade, you just joined today, didn't you? Yeah. Thank you everybody for coming through. Mods, thank you for helping me run this shit, and congrats to everybody that caught it. I mean, if we survive, runners here would be lovely. We've attempted runners a couple of times in the last week, but I don't know if we will. I don't know if there's enough volume now. We'd probably need a pullback and a steeper wick, but we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully the news is maybe they'll fucking, you know, blow up a flea market or something. I don't know. We're really close. We're really close. And BE hit, chat. It just tapped my BE. So 34 pips. Let me update the record here. It tapped it. It tapped it like literally. My BE is the price it tapped and it went up. It's gonna drive up now. You. This shit, it literally tapped my BE by like. There's no price. There's no wick below my BE. Damn. Well, I hope this shit runs for you guys. If anybody's still in there, let's mark this up. Price 34. Damn, this fucker's gonna run and it just took me out. I hate this shit. Fucker. Wow. Really, Gold? You gonna do me like that? That's dirty. That's dirty, Gold. That's messed up. Like, that's grimy. Grimy. Damn. Me? I'm tight. You guys know that one. Me? I'm tight. Nice to see how the 9 p.m. candle played out like you mentioned earlier with the direction. Yes, just pay attention. Wow, we would have smacked full TP here, gang. Why the like, you know where my it right here. See, it didn't even get to that price on TradingView. It took me out right there. That little. I got mad at Don this morning for that L the other day, so I told him to slide through Asian. Hopefully he came. I don't know who you're talking about, but hopefully. Congrats to you if you did. Damn. Half a pip earlier entry chat, and we good, but this is a nice look. It's gonna create a bottom wick here again and do that again. You guys are like, what's he talking about? I'm talking about the 1 minute. This shit's moving like news. I'm talking about the 1 minute. This is what I'm looking at. But I'm done. We're done for the night. We took advantage of the peak of the volume for Asian session. Okay? So I think we are, and like 100 people already dipped. Like, the fuck? Oh, man. Congrats, everybody. Congrats. What a day. What a week. What a month. Quarter 2 has been on absolute fucking fire. We have not lost in quarter 2 this year. Undefeated. Never lost. Yeah, I'm done for the night. If you guys are looking for more positions, great. Remember I said in the beginning of the stream, I'd love to get an early position so I could call it because I got some shit I got to take care of. Otherwise, I'd bring the Zoom gang out here, but I really got some shit to take care of. I see you guys. Eddie, Santos. Actually, let me say what's up to you guys. What are you guys doing? All City. That's Kenny.
What up, Doug?
What's the deal? How's everybody doing?
Yo, I got back in on the break of that, or the flip of that 5 minute.
Oh, when it right here?
It came down to tap you
Oh,
out.
you
and then
son
the
of a
5 minute
bitch.
flipped.
Oh, man. Oh, you got what I was
And
looking for.
I need
I'm
one-
coming
literally
for
one
you.
more pip past my challenge. My TP is 1 pip above that high.
Damn.
Nice, bro.
You a savage, you gangster. Ooh, thank you, Wix. Just show how important patience is. Yeah, I mean, you could have gotten in sells, right? If you were impatient. You could have gotten in buys also if you were impatient, but today buys would have paid you if you were impatient. Like, it just, you know, like, close your eyes and buy, whatever, like, the fundamentals going on in the world, that's what determined the direction, you know? Our entry here was determined based on the candles, right? I always say that. Fundamentals will decide the direction the market wants to go in. We are here just to figure out the, you know, the entry on these candles. What else is going on here? Where's Javier? Oh, Javier's here. Glad to see he showed up. Cool. I don't know. I think that's it. See, the panic doesn't sink. It's unsinkable.
TP is about to smash.
My
Yeah,
God, there
it
we
just-
go. Oh my, what? It didn't activate it. There
Full
it is.
TP.
I just passed my challenge.
Oh, wow.
Full
look at that.
TP smashed. Wow.
For those of you that held, gang, congratulations.
I mean, yeah, this is where I would have been out, but this shit's fucking driving. Yo, anybody gonna hold for the swings? I know Javier's gonna hold for the swings, for sure. If he's not in already.
Better see a screenshot tomorrow, Javier.
Word.
All-time highs, 3,000 pips.
Yo, who said earlier they were dipping? I think somebody said like in the last hour they were dipping. Wow. Good shit. It's our song. It's our song. Who said don't buy the high? Who the fuck said don't buy the high? She's running. Yeah, she's a fucking track star right now, for sure. Gang, that's it for me. I gotta go. I got some shit to do. Yeah, fellas, Santos, I see you. Thank you for coming through. All City, Kenny, Eddie, Hank, everybody in the Zoom. Big fucking W. Do a little flex. All right. I'll see you guys. Today was our last session for the week, right? So Asian will be back in full swing. For anybody in the private channel, anybody in the clubhouse, make sure you get your Wix's table membership, not the clubhouse. You won't be able to join Sunday stream unless you're in Wix's table. So if you subscribe to Wix's table, I will see you on Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern for the private session. If not, everybody else, I'll see you guys at 8 p.m. Eastern on Monday. All right. Mods, thank you so much for helping me run the stream. It was awesome. I appreciate you guys coming through night in and night out. Can you add me on Discord? Yeah, just you gotta DM me your YouTube name. So DM me the word options, or like if that's really you, options. Just DM me your YouTube name and I'll look you up and I'll add you. All right, but you gotta do it. DM me on Discord. Everybody go follow the IG, drop a like here before you dip, sub to the channel, go, be nice to your family and everybody else. Outside of that, gang, I believe that's my time for the night, all right? And just like that, another Asian session is in the books. Good night, everybody.
Good night, brother.
Good night. Good night.